Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, yes, I'm doing another slime tutorial, but this one is different. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this awesome iceberg slime. If you want to learn how to make this, then keep on watching. So the first thing that you want to do is take either 1 or 2 glue bottles and pour them in a bowl. Then whatever amount of glue you are using, so I'm using 2 bottles of glue, so I'm filling up 1 full bottle of glue with water and pouring it into my glue. Then you just want to mix that all up. Then you want to put in 1/4 of a cup of shaving foam or shaving cream. Then you can put 1 to 2 pumps of lotion into your mixture, and this makes the slime more stretchy. Then put in 2 big squirts of baby powder. Then take some cornstarch, and I didn't measure this out, but I would say about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and just mix that all in. Then with any foaming soap that you have, just squirt in a bunch because this helps the slime get super stretchy and foamy. The last thing you need to do to make your slime is put activator in it, so you can use Staflo, which is a detergent type product, and you can find it at any store. I found mine at Walmart. But you can also use the borax and water mixture or any other mixture that you know of. So this is my finished slime, and if you want to stop here and keep this slime that you made in a closed container, you can, but if you want to make the crunchy iceberg slime, then keep on watching. This is optional, but you can dye your slime, and I dyed mine with paint, and then you just want to put it into a container and let it sit open out for 3 days. I forgot to film my slime on day 1, but my sister actually made one, and this was hers on day 1, and we used the same recipe and everything, and hers was like starting to get hard on the top, but it wasn't fully supported and it wasn't like fully hard yet. This is my slime on day 2, and it was starting to get thicker on the top, and as you can see when I turn it to the side, you can see like the top crust layer is getting thicker and thicker. And here is the video with live audio of the crunching of the slime. So yeah, that was the live audio crunching of the top layer of the iceberg slime, and yeah, And also, if you were wondering if the top like hard layer got dissolved into the actual slime, yes, it did. It honestly just disappeared for me. But I think if you left it for like 4 days or so, it would still like be in your slime. But either way, the slime is really good. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and next week I promise it won't be another slime video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!